So, it's been 6 months since our team integrated SOLIDWORKS PDM, and I gotta say, it's been great. I mean, I knew it would be. I was on board the whole time, after all.
It worked. Yeah, we're all on board. Even Charles, and he was like a rock. SOLIDWORKS PDM works behind the scenes in Windows, in the background essentially, so Charles doesn't even know it's there. But we do, so everybody wins.
SOLIDWORKS PDM has improved everything. Security, psh, our data loss is at an all-time low. Everything is searchable and secure. So much faster and safer, which means we can do more things, you know? No more repeated tasks, no more frustration wasting time on stupid things. It's just such a relief.
I just get one search result when I look up a part number and it's the right one. All that menial back and forth is gone. I can finally sleep at night. I'm not though, because now that I don't have anxiety, I can finally stay up and binge all the shows I've been missing out on.
It's amazing. We're actually working as a team again.
It's true. SOLIDWORKS PDM has been life-changing. How much, you ask? I have literally taken it to every corner of the office. Version control. Phase 1. Banana versioning. See? Efficient and easy.
Follow-up night has arrived, and it looks like SOLIDWORKS PDM has been a major success. Everyone has really jumped on board, and the proof is right there in their faces. And not to mention the amount of time they're saving. And that sense of accomplishment, priceless. They're now managing their massive number of files. They've got concurrent access. They've alleviated their naming convention problems. And they're no longer writing over good data or breaking file references. They're inspired, they're collaborating, and all thanks to SOLIDWORKS PDM. What can I say? Looks like my work here is done. Until the next group, of course, because there are so many more offices and companies that are struggling and would really benefit from a solution like SOLIDWORKS PDM. So that's why I'm here, to share and encourage one office at a time.